UNBOX Nation, are you looking for a nice, compact, small, portable power bank to take with you on the go? Then I think I got what you need right here. Just for a nice little 10,000 mAh portable power bank from Baseus. All right, so you might want to stay tuned and check out this video. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, Nation, this is your man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a nice little portable power bank from a company called Baseus or Baseus, alright, however you want to say it. But before we get started, I want to give a thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father, God above, and Savior Jesus Christ, because without God, none of this is possible, alright? Alright, you nation, it's your main man Mark, back here in another video. I know it's been a minute, but today we're going to be taking a look at a nice little portable compact power bank, 10,000 mAh power bank from a company called Baseus, whatever. And let me see, I'm going to give you some specs. Start out with some specs for the spec junkies out there real quick, alright? It's the Baseus power bank, Picogo, hope I'm not murdering the name, 10,000 mAh, 45 watt, 3 output portable charger with built-in USB-C cable, PPS/PD, I think it's power delivery, QC, and then it says fast charging external battery pack for iPhone 15, 16, 14, 13, you get it, and Samsung and notebook and MacBook Pro, whatever. All right, so you get the gist of it, right? So this is basically a power bank to take with you on the go with 45 watt, charging, and you have 10,000 mAh worth of juice. So let's just look at the box right here. You see the box is telling you, the name of it right here, Baseus Picogo. So I'm hoping I'm saying the name right. And what else we have right here? Let's see, what does this say? It says charging 3 devices at once, ultra compact and portable, and 45 watt charging. So you can pause this and read it for yourself. All right, you getting that? All right. Let's see what's on the back. Nothing much on the back. Let's see, what is this on the back? There's more information. You can pause that, read it for yourself. Some more little information on the side. Some more right here to tell you about about the ports and about the cords. Tell you about the input. So output is 45 watt and input is 30 watt max. All right, you see that right there? All right. So let's get this out of the box. Don't have no unboxing knife today, but let's get this out of the box real quick. All right. Alrighty. Toss that paper to the side. Let's see how we're gonna get in here. Let's see. Hope the box ain't gonna troll me today. Looks like it's trying to troll me. Okay, there you go. Voila! Look at that. All right, there you go. White. Got it in the color white. I think it comes in a black colorway as well. All right. So I'm gonna put this over to the side. All right, I'll put it over here. I'll put it over here. Make up your mind. All right. That's how it looks like in the box. All right. Let's take it out. Look at that. Looks pretty nice. All right. Got some protective film over there. Take that off. Got let's see what else we got in the box. Got instruction booklets. You might want to keep that. Nothing else in the box. So shouldn't be nothing else in the box. I don't think so. Nope. Nothing else in the box. All right. So let's toss that box aside, get it out, that part out of the way. That paper. And here is a better look of it. All right. You have a USB-C charging slot right here, and you have the USB-A charging slot right here. Charge your devices, and then you got the built-in USB-C right here. I like having this built-in USB-C. Kind of saves you from having to carry extra cables, so that's a good look. You can like chain this. You can clip this with a carabiner onto your backpack or what have you. Take what you want to go. Let's see. Nothing else. Nothing out here on the bottom. Just some more little information on the bottom. And you got your. It's showing like 45 watt, letting you know what the wattage is. Got the power right here. Turn it on. Oh, and it has a display. Look at that. It has a display. It's at 75%. All right. So let me see. I want to test something out. Let me see. I'm gonna test it out with my old Note 20 Ultra. I'm gonna get out here to see if it's doing fast charge real quick. Plug it in. Super fast charge. Look at that. Super fast charge. Okay, okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave that plugged in. Well, no, I'm gonna plug it because I want to see it plug the 3 devices at one time. So let me see. I got some extra cables right here. All right. Let me get this little multi-cable from M-Fish. They make some pretty good stuff. So let me get this out of the way. All right. So plug that one in there. But you know what? I think I'm gonna do this a little bit different. I got another cable right here to use instead of that cable because I'm gonna need that cable right here. So I'm gonna plug that cable in the USB-A. All right, and then I'm gonna plug this one in the USB-C. Man, I don't even think it's gonna fit. I might have to find another one because that poster is too big. Real quick. Let's see here. I think I might have one laying around right here. Nope, not one. All right, hold a second. All right, I got a cable. I found a cable right here. This one should fit. It's a little skinnier post. Yeah, that'll work. So what I'm gonna do is plug it into these Tozo earbuds right here. All right, check them out. But anyway, it's not about that. Let's go ahead and plug this into the power port. As you can see here, it's showing it's charging. You see it blinking? It's showing it's charging. All right. So I'm gonna plug the other end of this cable into the JBL Tour Live Pro or whatever the name is. Got your little screen. You see that little loose screws views on the screen. Too cool. But anyway, let's see. All right, I'm gonna plug it into the back. All right, take this off, plug it in, and voila, it's charging. Both of them are charging at the same time. So let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my Samsung Note 20 Ultra and see if it's still saying super fast charge. Okay, so it's not saying super fast charge. So when you have 3 devices at one time being charged, you're just going to get regular charge. You're not going to get the fast charging. So I just want you to know that, because sometimes we be thinking, oh, why is it not doing fast charge? Well, you got 3 different devices. It's got to divide up the power to each device. So that's pretty cool. So I want to test one more thing with it. Let's see here. Pass-through charging. That's what I want to test. I want to test pass-through charging. So I'm gonna leave that one plugged up since I got that nice little screen on there. So let's see here. I'm gonna use this one for the pass-through charging. All right, we'll see. Let's see here. I'm gonna plug this one and plug it in here. Nope, it's not doing anything. So that might not be the charging port. So let me go ahead and take this out and change stuff around. All right, so I'm gonna put this one in here. So as you see, it's doing something. It's showing that it's charging. All right. I would kind of wish that screen was a little bit brighter, but I probably should have got the black one, because you probably be able to see the screen a little bit better. So while that's doing that, and meanwhile, I'm gonna plug this and make sure it's charging. All right. So, okay, well, it's not charging. Does it do it? Is it doing a pass through? Oh, boy, I'm moving too fast. Boy, moving too fast. Let me go ahead and find another cable around here. All right, found another cable. I need to get more organized. Getting into a new year. Let me go ahead and plug this in. All right, so I can go ahead and plug in the buds. Make sure I got it plugged in the right way. All right, got that plugged in. All right, let's see here. All right, I'm gonna plug the Tozo earrings in. Boy, here we go again. The wrong cord. Boy. Let me go ahead and switch this cord out again. I'm getting ahead of myself. The USB-A charging charging cord. All right, I'm gonna switch these cords around because for some reason I'm not doing something right. But let me charge. I'm gonna change it around. So I'm gonna put this one in here. All right. All right. So that one's gonna go into the Tozos. All right. Then I'm gonna get another charging cable right here to do a power charge. So let me go ahead and get this longer cable out real quick. All right, got a longer cable, so I'm gonna plug it into my power source over here. All right, and go ahead and plug it back in. If it'll go, nope, this thing is too thick. So matter of fact, I got a solution right here. Boy, I should have seen it. They basically already got the 100-watt USB-C double charger. I should have got this one in the get-go. So let me take that out, plug this in. Got the retractable cable. I know. Bear with me, View Nation. All right, so got it plugged in. All right, so plug that back like so, and let's plug this cable in. Look at that. Back fast, it's back charging. As you see here, the buds are charging. All right, so let me go ahead and plug the phone up again. Regular charging. So I'm gonna take let's see what I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna take, so as you can see, it does pass through charging, so that's a good thing. It does pass through charging. So, but like I said, when you have more than one device plugged up, you're not going to get fast charge. So let me go ahead and unplug the buds and see if that makes a difference. All right, so I'm gonna unplug this and plug it back. Still no fast charge. So what I'm gonna do is unplug. Let's see, I want to plug this right here. Boy. Now I'm gonna plug it back in and see what we got. Still regular charge. So I'll unplug this and we're gonna try this again. All right. Let's see here. Nope, it's not doing fast charging. We'll see what's going on. All right. Let's see, not sure what that W is. I'm gonna have to look at it. Okay, here we go. So we'll unplug it again, plug it back. It was doing fast charger. I don't know what's going on now. So, so let me switch the cables out again. Let me see. So I was thinking that this cord right here should do fast charging. So let me double check something real quick. Plug this one in here and plug this in here. Let's see what we got. Not sure what's going on, View Nation. Not sure what's going on. So let me go ahead and see if I can cut it off. All right, I got it cut off. So starting fresh. I'm not sure. So just live video. No scripts. So let's go ahead and try this again. Unplug it and plug the phone back into it. Super fast charge. So I'm guessing it just had to reset itself. So it does just do super fast charge. All right. As you can see here, you can, it's only going to supercharge one device at a time. But if you're charging 3 devices at one time, all you're going to get is regular charge. So no, that's not bad. That's not bad. As you can see here, this is a nice, small, little portable power bank. Take with you on the go. It's not going to take up any room. As you can see, look at the sizes. Note 20 Ultra right here. All right. And for y'all youngsters that don't know what the Note 20 Ultra is, there's the iPhone 15 Pro Max. All right. You can see the size of it. All right. So, and it has no problems charging it up too, because bam, it's charging. All right. So, yeah. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information. And like I say in all my videos, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person who likes to, check out new tech, you know, and let everybody else see what's going on, all right? You know, just like to see new tech, all right? All right, just a regular everyday person. So spec junkies, don't come for me in the description box, all right? Just regular everyday person, all right? And if, oh, wait a minute. Have anybody subscribed? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit it. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, all right? All right, all right. Anyway, yeah, this is, like I said, this is the Baseus 45 watt, 10,000 mile rechargeable portable power bank, all right? Right here. And like 2 different colors, white and black. And yeah, this is cool. This is cool. You know, not gonna take up too much room. Perfect for your everyday travel. Perfect just to take with you on the go. All right. You know, so on vacations or whatever. But yeah, appreciate everybody taking out time to check out this video. You know, it's kind of been all over the place. The first video back in a minute, but we gonna get back on track. We're gonna get back on track. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. All right. And like I say, let's see here. If you haven't already, go hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, so you can tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. All right, all right. I know I'm a little rusty after a few months of not doing videos. I'm a little rusty, so just bear with me, View Nation. And I appreciate you all holding on. All right, all right. Let's see here. The message for today. Oh, I got a good one for the message for today. Stop taking people for granted. You're like, Mark, what are you talking about? Well, you know, a lot of times, you know, we just think, you know, people are always going to be there. People are always going to do stuff, or people are always going to want to do something for you, or, you know, and we just don't, you know, we just, you know, go along our day oblivious, you know, and just, you know, take it for granted, think that, oh, they're always going to be there. Stop taking people for granted, because when you do that, you make people, you know, just feel like straight trash. I mean, because you think about it, the people that are there for you, they don't got to be there for you. You know what I'm saying? They're doing it out of the kindness of their heart. So, you know, when you got people, good people in your circle, in your corner, just there, you know, backing you up, helping you out, stop taking them for granted. You know, let them know that they appreciate it. Because when you have a person, make a person feel unappreciated, and like you're taking them for granted, that just makes them feel like just like that little Charlie Brown character with the cloud over it. Just make you feel just tired and just unhappy. So that's the message for today. Stop taking people for granted. All right. This has been your main man, Mark for LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS. Drop the mic, and I'm out, baby. Peace. We back.